Hey guys, just want to do a quick video check-in here, say happy Easter everyone. And I want to show you this greenhouse we picked up about a month ago. Picked it up in Connecticut when I was down there on a trip. And it's also available on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. But we started most of our flowers and lots of our plants here. This has been a really nice greenhouse. It's about $20 to $30. Either you can find it locally or on Amazon here. And it's worked out really well. We started all these flowers and plants here. We started them by seed. Everything started by seed. As you can see, it's done really well in the greenhouse here. Even started this corn here. You might say, oh, why are we growing corn inside? Well, we just want green stuff, green plants. This is popcorn. It's rainbow color. Get some down here too. So, just want to say hello to everyone and hope everyone's well. Nice little greenhouse here. Spring is on its way. Got a couple projects going on outside. But we are looking forward to warmer weather and a nice spring. Alright guys, happy Easter. Everyone take care. We'll catch you next time.